loud and clear. The city of Milwaukee, they made it happen all the way around. So thank you very much. So I would be remiss to not tell just a fraction of our history. Coakley Brothers has been serving residents and companies around Milwaukee since 1888. Yeah, I represent the fourth generation. The founders, George, Charles, and Bill Coakley. Their family home was on the north end of the 6th Street Viaduct on 6th and Michigan. And that's where it started. The founders built warehouses all throughout the Milwaukee community. And today we are proud to call Walker's Point our headquarters and our home. It was eye-popping, jaw-dropping, it was obnoxious, gorgeous, and it was just there. And so over the course of the long weekend, I went back to it, and I realized that it was sitting on some type of water tower base, and it was an iconic water tower reincarnated. And it occurred to me that we have a 40-foot water tower base sitting on top of our building holding nothing. And my gosh, wouldn't it be cool if we could bring one of these back to Milwaukee? 3, 2, 1. Let's light her up.
Turn it on.
Okay. Hey, thank you everyone. Your support has been overwhelming, and it's a gift for everybody, and Tom and I both hope it just continues to bring joy and smiles to everybody who casts their eyes upon it. Let's enjoy it.